Heavy steps upon the ground. Too much noise, too much sound. But tonight